Hi guys, today we're going to play with kitchen set, this one, a microwave that can open and close, stuff inside, and Peppa Pig. If you press her tummy, she can talk.
That was the best hug ever.
And here we have Daisy with her bow. And now we're going to open this. First, we're going to check it all up. Now, here's the front, here's the side, back, and the other side. Now, we will open it and see what's inside. Okay, here's what's inside. So messy. We have coffee, Minnie Mouse, and what? Of course, so. Okay, now we're just going to play, and then we're going to repeat to say what is it if someone forgot. Okay, so now we're going to play. Daisy. Hi, I want some croissant and a cup of green tea, please. That will be $10. $10? Okay. Thank you. There is 2 coins for change. Thank you. Now we're going to cook. Ooh. Oops. Have to make some tea. Abracadabra. Yes, I have magic wand house. Here you go, Daisy, your cup of tea. Thank you so much. Here's your tea. Oh, thank you so much. You want some, Daisy? Yes, please.
I want to.
Thank you. That was so delicious. Now, just for the last thing. Then, what? Put it aside. It's gonna be like there. Start. Look, it's coming more. Even more. It's finished. I have to super duper be careful. I don't have my clothes. Yeah, I'll take my dress. Ooh, what? Hot! Very hot! Here you go, Daisy. Thank you. Ooh, hot! Thank you for the food. You're welcome. Bye guys, thank you for watching this video and keep a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!